Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2012 Ford Focus SE, and I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Ford Focus. You may ask yourself, anybody could change the battery. Well, the guy in AutoZone wasn't able to do it, so I said leave it alone. I'll take my daughter out and then we'll come back and I'll do it myself. And I noticed the problem he bumped into, but I was too clean and I didn't want to do it then. So this is the battery I'm going to be using now. Usually it has two covers. It has a cover here in the top and a cover in the back. So this one doesn't have it. When I purchased this car, I didn't have it. I bought it used, and we're going to change the battery. So it looks simple, but it's not really simple. He took everything out, right? And he couldn't take the battery out. And I noticed where he had to take it, but I thought about it later. Like I said, I didn't want to change it. I was too clean. So we're back, me and my daughter back from Bounds, and I'm gonna show you how to replace your battery. Now, you have, I think it's about 10 millimeter nuts for them. You have the one in the negative that's in the back right there. That's 1, 2, and then this one that's holding the bracket, 3 and 4. And what I'm using is a 10 millimeter socket and a little half 1/4 drive. I think this is what it is. You know, I don't know my tools very well, but it's a little one. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna take the one in the back. Hopefully you can see that. And let me just turn this. So we're just gonna, there you go. Let it loose first. Okay. I'm gonna disconnect that one first. Okay, so it's disconnected. You don't want it to be touching anything. So right there, just put it aside for now. Then you want to loosen the positive. I always do the negative first. It's just me. Loosen that one. Now we have to take this bracket off right here. Well, he left them loose anyway for me, so that's good. So I'm going to be taking the bracket. What I'm doing right now is taking out this bracket. Like I said, you might think, why will I need to do a video on changing the battery? I didn't think about it either, but the guy in AutoZone, like I said, he couldn't do it. So I said, I'll do it. Gives me opportunity to do something. So that's one. Make sure you put them away. Okay. So now the battery disconnected and the bracket is out. Make sure you put it there like an assembly line. As you can see, what he tried to do is, and I noticed, is pull it out. And it doesn't come out like this. If you can see, there's no space. If you try to do it like that. I'm going to show you once I put it in the bracket. I'm going to try to take it out just like that, and you see it's not going to be able to come out. What we have to do, we have to take these out right here. This plastic cover right here. I'm going to show you how to take it out. But first I want to show you the problem he bumped into. Hopefully I can do it with one hand. So no matter what you try to do. Okay, let me go put it in the tripod and I'll be right back. So here we go. He tried to take it out like this, and there's no way that it's gonna come out like this. And I'm gonna show you that it won't come out because just keep it right here. Thing is heavy. So you can't, it doesn't want to come out if you push this, but you're gonna break it. So the way this thing is designed, whoo, just pinch my finger, watch your finger. The way this thing is designed, it has this plastic right here. And it has a clip here. If you notice, there's a clip right here. And there's a clip on the other side. Let me just get you closer. Let me just get you closer. as I say, it has a clip here and a clip over here. So the way to take this out, you have to push this one out like this. First you have to pick it up, right? Pick it up. And once you pick it up, you push this one out like this. Get the clip out. See? Push it up. And while it's up, push this one this way. And then you take the other one on the other side. You do the same thing. You pick it up, push it. And all you need is to put this back like this. You push it back. Can you see that? So you see what I did? I pushed this back. Let me make sure you're seeing these things. Move it a little bit more this way, because I need you to see this. So one more time. We'll put it back. Put it back in. So what you're gonna do is lift this plastic up. While you're picking it up, you take this plastic and you push it that way. You do the same thing with the other one, and you push it. And all you need is enough room when you take this and you push it back. And all you need is enough room to get the battery out. Now watch your fingers, because I just pinched my fingers before. Be careful. So what you're gonna do is, now you should have enough leverage to get it out. Yeah. So you had enough leverage now to get it out. Okay? So now it's wet in there, has water. So we're just gonna, I'm gonna clean that up in there. I'm gonna clean it up and I'll be right back. So here you go, my friend. Clean everything up. I cleaned my terminals. I should have showed you how to clean the terminals, but I cleaned them up. While you're in there changing the battery, you might as well change the terminals also. So now what we're gonna do is put the battery. Remember, this has to be back in order for the battery to go in. Now don't forget that the positive goes in this side and the negative is in the back. So we're gonna do the same thing. Remember how we pushed it up? What we're gonna do, we're gonna slide it down. Just take your time when you do it. Watch your fingers, because I already pinched my fingers and I can feel the pain. Okay, look. Okay, went back. Make sure that doesn't go to the front. So, just let it slide in. Slide it in. Okay. So it's right in. Want to push it forward. Right there. As you can see, it has a little dentation in there. Let me see if I can take it right in there. Let me see if you can see it. Let me see. Right in there. See the bottom? You want to put it right in here like that. Okay? So now your battery's in. And let me just... Yes, baby. I'll be right there. My daughter's calling me. Let me give you a nice view. You would think it's easy just to change a battery, but it wasn't. So you want to connect the negative. Actually, I like doing positive first. No, first you want to put this clip back in. And what you're going to do is just pick it up, push it in. The other one, push it in, and then push it down. Make sure that's nice and even in there. Connect your negative battery, your positive battery. See how nice and clean it is? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your little 10 millimeters and you're gonna tie them up. First you wanna do it by hand. Make sure it's all the way down. Man, my little thing is acting up. Come on, I need you. Yeah, I don't want to turn. There it goes. There you go, 10. Don't want to go too tight, but you also want to feel it nice and snug in there. Then you take the 10 from the back. Let me see if I can reach it to the back right there. Then you take the 10, make sure it's all the way down. And you use the same 10. Take your time. There you go. By the way, if you ever had to charge your battery, you have the negative here because you can't put no jumper cables in there. So it's right here. Let me just show you where it's at. Right here, because you can't put the jumper cables in here. So you'll put it right here. This is where the negative is at. You put the negative here and the positive here. Just in case if you didn't know that, because you can't fit no jumper cables in there. So now that I have put both of them, now that the battery is in, you want to make sure everything is nice and snug in there. Okay, it's clean. You're going to take your bracket. I cleaned it up too. I'm going to take the bracket and put it right in there. Can you see that? You're going to take here you go, bracket right in there. You got 2 holes. You're going to take your nuts. You're going to put them right in there. This is just to hold the battery, for the battery won't be moving all over the place. You definitely need that. I forgot to put these on. I'll do it later. Make sure you get these. I'm gonna put them on later. You wanna make sure there's nice snug in there. Okay. There you go. Make sure they're nice and stuck in there, and they're nice and tight, that they don't move. Still moving a little bit. I'll tie it up a little harder, a little tighter. So the purpose of this video is just to show you how to change the battery on a 2012 Ford Focus SE. You know, there's more into this. You got to clean your terminals. You got to put your, you put these is the good. You want to put some battery installation kit grease on it. You want to do all that, but the purpose of this video is just to show you how to change your battery in case you didn't know how to change it. In your car, you might have the cover. You have a cover here and a cover in the back, and usually those covers, all you have to do is just pull it up, pull them up, and do the procedure I just showed you, and you should be okay. Once again, this is Now Mechanic. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And I appreciate you. Thank you. Now Mechanic. Later.